This next problem is a percentage change question that, as you will see, is much easier to tackle if you plug in numbers. So let's read it together. At Harley Incorporated, all team members are compensated on an individual pay rate. The amount Remy currently earns is equivalent to 80% of the wages of Haven, and the rate of Haven comes out to be 82% of the wages Charlie earns. If Charlie were to get a 9% raise and the other team members' compensation does not change, what percent of Charlie's wages would be equivalent to the earnings of Remy? And finally, you should round to the nearest percent. So the first thing I should say is it's definitely easiest to plug in numbers. And with percentage change questions, the most important number that you should always be plugging in is 100. And that's because, for example, a 10% increase of 100 is just 110 because that is 10 more. And out of 100, 10% is just 10. It makes it much easier to do calculations with percentage change problems when you plug in 100. So for Charlie's wages, because everything is based off of Charlie's wages, we're going to plug in 100. It says that Haven is 82% of Charlie's wages. So 82% of 100 is just naturally 82. You could put it in the calculator if you want. 0.82 times 100 is 82. Now, Remy is 80% of Haven's wages. So we need to put this into a calculator. 0.8 times 82 is going to be Remy's wages. That will equal 65.6. So if Remy gets $65.6 and the initial person, which was Charlie, gets a 9% raise, what would the 9% raise be, by the way? That would be $9 from 100. $9 more, which is $109. So if Charlie's final wages is $109 and Remy's final wages is $65.6, the question asks, what percent of Charlie's wages is Remy's wages? So we just put in a fraction. We put Remy's wages on the top, Charlie's wages on the bottom, and we solve for the percentage. You should get 0.6018, which is closest to 60%, and that's the final answer.
Hi, I'm Justin, co-founder and CTO of Achievable. If you've enjoyed this video, you'll love our GRE course. Achievable GRE includes everything you need to get a top score. Our comprehensive online textbook, videos just like this one on dozens of key topics, a built-in study planner to keep you on track, an essay grader with instant feedback to improve your writing, thousands of drillable review quizzes, and plenty of full-length practice exams. Our course is competitively priced, and you can try it out for free to see if our instructional style is the right fit for you. Follow the links below to get started.